let's just run through them again.
Oh, we've searched all of these.
Yes, Gamby, the clock is ticking. I feel like I'm wasting my time. Now, why do you think we're gonna find something new?
Look, like I said, we must be missing something. Jennifer is out there somewhere.
This is like finding a needle in a haystack.
Wait a minute. Maybe the haystack's the problem. Gamby, can you increase the voltage threshold in these goggles?
Yes, why?
Most generators and large appliances operate at about 240 volts.
And since Jen runs much hotter than that, by increasing the threshold...
We'll be able to narrow down the search.
Okay. All right, let's go. Come on.
I need you to isolate each location so I can lock in the coordinates and see if anything new pops up. All right. Here's the laundromat Anissa went to. Here's the pumping station you saw. Here's the power plant.
What about this last one?
It's not on the list.
It's gotta be her. Let's go.
Hey. Hey. Hey, it's okay.
Thank you, God.
Don't cry.
I thought you were dead.
Come on, Jane. You know you can't get rid of me that easily.
I love you.
I love you too.
Don't scare me like that, please. Don't leave me out here, okay?
I got you. It's okay. What exactly happened here?
Yeah, she pissed me off. She's lucky after everything she did, I still decided to give her the antidote.
The antidote?
Look, I'll tell you later. Are you good to go?
Yeah.